requesting the parents.
There are more than 88,000 houses in my constituency. And if you look at the literacy rate, it's very low. When I say literacy rate, that could be education point of view. And also, when we talk to people about their treatment, or, when certain analysis is done, dialysis is done, then we tell them that we need to do operation. But still, a lot of people say there's no need of operation. And also, this is the way people think in my constituency. But with the help of all the experts, we have been able to talk to people. Like, for example, we conducted a survey in my area, wherein we targeted small children, those who are in primary and secondary, and we with the help of teachers. So what we do is, we also take help of other stakeholders. Like, for example, when we have to work in school, we take help of teachers and also the parents of the students, wherein we did survey. We with the help of HP Desai, we taught the teachers of how to do survey, and also how to check the how, if the child has any number, or if there's any need of any operation or something like that. So what we did is, we did survey of around 1350 students. We did a big survey, more than 28,000, of which 1300 students had some kind of defect, whether it could be they can't see properly, or it could be squint or something like that. And so then, after this 1350 students were shortlisted, we had a technical checkup by HV Desai, of which 650 students had some issues, of which around 90 students had to do operation, of which 40 we have already done, and 50 we are still talking to the parents. They are little skeptical, or they have their own point of view. In certain cases, the girls have squint, so the parents say, why to send the girl? What is the need? So there are a lot of plus and minuses, but at least we have.
Still online, but it was very inspiring to hear what a committed leader of a constituency the changes he can make, his interest in improving the health of the constituency, and this partnership between CBM, HV Desai, and the MLA, and all those involved. Sapna Singh, I'm not sure what your designation or where you work, but it's many people together working who have made this difference. The others, I just wanted to mention some of the other needs of people and people with disabilities, which CBM also tries to address, because he is so closely connected to his constituency, and he's aware of, he's done this survey of the constituency, each family, what are the needs there, what are the health needs, and I'm sure also there are many other needs. There must be many people with disabilities in that constituency.